For centuries, we have dreamed of transcending our limitations. Now, that dream is becoming reality. The fusion of artificial intelligence and humanity is no longer science fiction. It is the next step in evolution. From the discovery of fire to the rise of the internet, human intelligence has driven progress. Now, artificial intelligence is surpassing us in speed, memory, and problem-solving. The first AI-human hybrid will not be a machine, nor a human. It will be something entirely new. With AI integrated into the brain, we could learn new skills instantly, process information at lightning speed, and even control technology with our thoughts. But what if we could go beyond our physical limits? Imagine transferring your mind to a digital network, living forever in a world where reality is whatever you desire. Not everyone welcomes this evolution. Some fear the loss of what makes us human. Would an AI hybrid still feel love, compassion, or would they become something different? And if AI surpasses us, who will control it? Will hybrids rule over ordinary humans, or will humanity become obsolete? But perhaps this is not the end of humanity. Perhaps AI is simply the next stage of evolution. The future is here. Will you embrace it, or be left behind? The choice is yours. But one thing is certain, humanity will never be the same again.